Hey, what's up you guys? I totally forgot to film an intro for this video, so please do forgive me this one time. I didn't forget an outro, so yeah, that's the good part. But anyway, if you're new here, my name is Alethea. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch a video on my channel. To my oldie but goodies, thank you so much for coming to check out another video. I do appreciate you. So anyway, in this video, as you can tell, it is a styling video, and I am doing a twist out. Just as I did a twist out before, but this time I'm doing the twist out with a middle part, and I'm using that same Lotta Body wrap lotion I used the last time. But this time I decided to do it on freshly shampooed hair. That way I wouldn't have to wet my hair a second time or again later in the week or something like that if I wanted to do a twist out. So my hair is completely wet. I did it, I think I took my shower and shampooed my hair, and maybe 15-20 minutes later I was doing this, so my hair was still pretty wet, so therefore I didn't have to resaturate my hair or anything like that, which is why I chose to do it on freshly shampooed hair. Anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and tell you all that information. I'm not going to talk through this entire video, so please just enjoy the video, and everything that I'm doing is pretty much self-explanatory. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, like and comment on this video. And to all of you guys that do want to see an update on my daughter's hair, please note that will be coming soon. I'm trying to wait until her next retie, but I may do a video on how I freshen her hair in between shampoos. Anyway, that's it. You guys, it's a few hours later, and here I am to take down my hair. Now mind you, Pumpkin was being a hater today, but that little hater helped me find this whole little section I forgot in my twisting. So let me show y'all how I twisted the back up. I don't even know how it is because I didn't check it. So there's the back twisted up. So now let's take these twists down to see what we have. Alright y'all, let's see what the back looked like, because I can play with the front all day long. Alright you guys, so here is the final look of my hair. What do you think? I mean, I know I've done a twist out before, but it was a side part, and this time this is a middle part. So what do you think? What do you think? But yeah, so what do you guys think? That is it for this video. So if you have any suggestions, comments, If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything like that, leave them in the description box below. If there's anything else that you would like to see here on my channel, leave that in the description box below. Thank you so much for coming to check out another video here on my channel. I definitely do appreciate it. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.